Class 8th, Science, Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management. Crops are grown in winter. Rabi crop, the process of the introducing seed in the soil, the sowing, drip irrigation is the save water, maintain soil fertility. Manure does not exist in organic salt. Crop producers help the maintain soil fertility. Herbicides are used to control the weeds. Artificial rearing of fish. This is agriculture is the rearing of bees. Chemical fertilizers contain the inorganic salt. Weeds grow faster. Chapter 2, Microorganism and Force. ये चैप्टर 1 है. Microorganism then photosynthesize some bacteria producing phytoelectrons, chlamydogen with the help of the flagella. Milk turned curd because of the action of bacteria lactobacillus. Polio and the chickenpox AIDS are the virus variants caused by protozoa. Polio vaccine is developed by John Edward Salk. Polio vaccine is made by polio virus. The technique of the preserved milk pasteurization. The energy of the from organic chemical bacteria, the energy of chlorophyll that grow in the pickles and fruit fungi, they are used to making bread. Is chlorovirus, no bacteria. Chapter 3, synthetic fiber and plastic. Synthetic fiber polymers, polymer made of many more cellulose molecules made of glucose molecules. A regenerated fiber is a synthetic fiber, natural material. Elegant rayon is silicone. Rayon is the regenerated synthetic fiber. Thermometers cannot be recycled. Thermoplastic can be recycled. Chapter 4, materials, metal and non-metals. A metal and non-metal gold is sufficient to ductile, phosphorus, immortal non-metal, carbon, oxygen, non-metal, iron, luster, diamond, where iron combined with oxygen rust to the ability of the metal of the virus of ductility at room temperature. Mercury is liquid, bronze is the element of copper and tin. Metal are the good conductor of electric heat or electricity. True. Sodium can store underwater. False. Iron can coat in protein. Zinc false. Iron sulfide is non-metal. Metal false. Metal react with oxygen. Metal oxide. True. Metal is the noble gas reactive. False. Brass is a metal element. False. Steel contain iron carbide. True. Chapter 5, coal and petroleum. Coke and coal are obtained from coal. The highest grade of the coal is the anthracite. Diesel can also obtain coal gas, a product of the optional frictional distillation. Coal gas fossil fuel pollute air. The heaviest part of the frictional distillation bituminous paraffin wax to make candle. Burning of coal is upon carbon monoxide. Anthracite is a high carbon content than lignite for true. Peat is the list of the coal formation true. Fossil fuel is the renewable source false. Cooking gas cylinder is the fuel and petroleum gas true. Diesel is operated small car false. Chapter 6, combustion and flame. A substance burned completely inadequate is the supply of oxygen. Combustion fluid of heat, fire and execution actually have carbon dioxide. A matchstick has low ignition point. In candle flame, the temperature is highest to the blue zone. And an example of the non-combustible substance, water SI unit of measuring heat, joule is the fuel of the fuel burn in the motor state is the ignition temperature. Coal and the wood and the combustible substance true. Every combustible substance ignition temperature true. The temperature of its substance to ignition temperature false. If fuel is the high calorific true. The ball zone of the normal summit does not leave any root suit true. The inner dark zone of the lowest temperature true. Chapter 7, conservation of plant and animals. Plant and animals are the natural conditions constitute habitat, different habitat, collectivity, fauna, many conditions of the plant all over the world of vertical garden. Plant and the water atmosphere operation. Reforestation means planting tree and mother plants. Rhinoceros is post with their horns. Project tiger is a product to product. Royal Bengal tiger. Plant tiger can be preserved over the seed banks. Chapter 8, cell structure and function. Genetic and the organism present in the chromosome and logify deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is small inserted by the nucleus. Cellular respiration is the cellular mitochondria. One of the difference in plant and animal cell, chloroplast, the animal is the axis of water is the contractic vacuole. The cell front is the manipulative cellulose. The cell is centribose the chromosome during cell division. Chromoplast is the contained chlorophyll. Human beings are multicellular. True. The basic living organism true. Paramecium is the multicellular false. The nucleus contains chromosome true. Leucomice Lysosomes are the called the powerhouse of cell. False. Chapter 9, reproduction in plants. Reproduction is the fusion of male and female. Sexual reproduction, the fusion of the ovum and sperm. Fertilization, the fertilization like zygote is the type of the which only single parent is. Sexual reproduction. Spermogenition is the process of test progress. Test sperm internal fertilization inside the female body. Fertilization, human egg that firstly taken place for infant tube. The pregnancy of the baby is fully developed. Paramecium during the fission. False. Earthworm are the hermaphrodites. True. Palladia the binary fission. False. Honeybee the vaporized. False. The honeybees four types of the ceremonial system. Mother. True. The development zygote is Placentia. False. Chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. The changes occur during the control hormone. The cell, the hormones are active. The target cell, ovaries secrete the estrogen, adrenal secrete the adrenaline. The sex hormone, female, the 2X chromosome in male that develop the sexual hormone.